Hi, Trent Jesse here. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to navigate through your styling section of your WooThemes. In the styling section, you'll see two sections. The first section is called the background area. When you click on the background area, this simply gives you the control over changing the color of your background of your website. So currently, if I go to the front section of my website, the background is kind of this cream color, whitish cream color. So if I wanted to change that, then I would come back in to the styling section under background, and starting with this area, you click on the box, and for right now we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to go up here and choose kind of a red color, reddish color. Okay, so when you click on this box, you select the color that you want. That's the color that I want, and to match it, you click on this little ball, and as long as these two boxes match, then you're set to go. So you confirm that, click on Save All Changes, come to your front area of your website and click on Refresh, and then you'll see the background. It kind of looks nasty, but just for example purposes. So we're going to go back there and just delete that, and click on Save All Changes, and click on Refresh, and it'll go back to the original color, right? So that's what the body background color section does. The next area is the body background image. If you wanted to upload an image, you could do that by clicking on Upload. And at this point, you can either upload a picture from your computer, or from a URL, or it'll say previously uploaded since I just barely uploaded one, or from your media library. And for this demo, I'm just going to use this grid_bg image. It's very subtle, so when I click on show, you can upload any image. This is a small image right here, and I'll show you what I'll be doing with that shortly. But this image right here, I'm going to be using for my background image in this demo. So you click on the image and click on this button that says use as body background image. Once you do that, then you'll see just a snapshot of what that picture looks like. And if you didn't want to use that after you upload it, you simply click on this little minus button right there, this red button there, and it'll delete it for you. Now, I just uploaded a small picture right here for my background, and since it's really small, it obviously wouldn't cover the entire background of the website. So it's important that you choose this section right down here where it says background image repeat. So I can take this image and duplicate it by clicking on this drop down repeat option. So if I do that, it's going to take this and duplicate it, and you'll see what it looks like after I click on Save All Changes. So I'll click on Refresh, and there you go. It puts in the background image, and it covers the entire background area of the website. Okay, so it makes it look really nice, and so it doesn't look choppy. That's what that background image section does. If you were to upload a big image, then just make sure that it's big enough, such as 1600 wide by 1200 pixels high. That's usually a pretty good sized image to upload if you were uploading one image. And if you were to do that, you would not repeat it. You just click on no repeat if it was a big image. Alright? Now the background image position, if you wanted to have a big image uploaded and you wanted it to start, or even a small image, either one, you could choose where you want it to start at. All right, so you can play around with those options there. And then the background attachment, if it's fixed, if it's fixated in one spot, or if it should scroll. Right now, you'll notice the background image right here. If I scroll, it just stays there. It's fixed. Okay. But if I were to come back here and click on Scroll and Save All Changes, then the background image will scroll with the page. Okay? Alright, so I like it fixed. And Save All Changes. So that covers that section right there under Styling and for the background. Now we're going to go over to the links. The links area allows you to change the color of the links on your website. So links, if you're not familiar with what links are, we're going to go over to the blog section of my website, and links are simply words or images that, well, in this case words, that when you move your mouse over it, it changes color. Okay, so when you move your mouse over it, this is the hover color. So it changes color when you move your mouse over it, and you can change the color of those links by coming underneath styling and clicking on links. That's the hover color section, and then the button color. You'll notice that on my website the button color is red. If I wanted to change that, then I simply come over here and change the button color. And that comprises this tutorial.